Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fly on RH Dance Studio. So make sure you are the owner of the server. Don't worry, these servers are free here, which I love. I actually really like this game. So you're just going to type in the chat this button here and then fly. Why does it... Oh. Don't forget to press space, and then here you can fly. To stop flying, press E, and then to fly again, press F, I think, or you have to press that again. Oh, I guess you press E again to fly. And that is how you can fly in RH Dance Studio, just to go to places. Again, if you're done flying, press E, but if you want to fly again, press E again, and press space. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!